I wish you were here to smell this. It was too enticing. Oh my goodness. This was so nice. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena. If today is the first time here, we are making pepper gizzard and fried plantain. Let's get straight to the video. So I have my gizzard. I washed it very well. I've added my blended onion, and then I will add my other spice. Okay, I made this at home and it contains a lot of things, a lot, yes, but I'll be bringing you the video. I don't know which one will come first, so I've added this as well. This one I have the video. You'll see the video up there. Please click on it and watch for me. I'll mix it very well, then I will go ahead and add some salt and seasoning and allow it to be on fire. So after 10 minutes, this is how it is looking. Okay, it takes a lot of time for it to cook very well, so I cooked this for almost 45 minutes and it is ready. This is how it is looking. I'm just going ahead to strain the stock from it, then we proceed. If today is the first time here, once again, welcome. Can you please subscribe for more videos if you like my content? I have oil on fire and I've added the gizzard to it. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming here to watch my videos. I do appreciate it. So I'll go ahead and fry it very well. For more updates, can you please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The handles will be on the screen. Please follow me for more videos. Thank you very much. Our gizzard is ready, so we are now going straight to prepare our stew. But before then, let's fry our plantain. So I've added my plantain to the oil and it is ready. So I don't add any salt to my plantain. Straight away I just fry it. So the plantain is ready and I'm going to prepare the stew. If you've watched me till this point, once again, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more videos. So that is the oil I used to fry the gizzard. I've added my chopped onion. I'll go ahead and stir it for some time. Now I will add my habanero pepper, that is the red one, and also red bell pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, everything. Add it to it. So I use some of the oil to blend the ingredient. I've added my homemade spice and then my beef seasoning. I'll wait for 10 minutes, then add my fried gizzard. It didn't take too much time for the stew to be ready because I didn't use water to blend the ingredient, but I used oil. Okay, so I'll wait for some few minutes, then add my vegetables, that is bell peppers and some onions. Yes, I will stir it. Then our gizzard stew or gizzard pepper is ready. So you are just going to serve this with our plantain. You can serve it with some rice, you can serve it with fried yam, and you are going to love it. Thank you for watching and I do appreciate your time. My returning subscribers, I do appreciate you for always watching my videos. So till I come your way next time, I will say goodbye and see you again. Bye.